Hey guys, how's it going? So I am in Dubrovnik, Croatia, exploring the alleyways, and good news, one of you is coming with me and Jordan for a 1-week sailing trip through Croatia, through the shorelines, all this beautiful area. It's gonna be you. Alright, this is exciting. This is exciting. But before we get into the video on how to win, how to enter, etc., I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for being here and supporting me, watching my videos on YouTube. 50K subscribers. It's been fun. It's been super fun getting here, and I hope to continue to make more camera editing tutorials, travel edits, and whatever else that is a good time and fun to watch. So be sure to hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. So I upload weekly videos once a week on Monday, and I do weekly in quotations because I don't always hit the Monday deadline. It's kind of the problem with always moving around, not having a consistent pattern, a consistent work schedule. I can't always get the videos up on Monday, but I try and get out one once a week. So let's try and continue to do that from here on forward. Anyways, let's get to the reason why we're all here, and that is for free stuff, because free stuff is the best. Sound effects, drum roll. So I have partnered up with Travel Talk Tours to give away a 1-week free trip with me and Jordan on the beautiful coastline of Croatia. This will be a 7-day, 7-night trip on the boat, stopping at multiple different islands, doing multiple different activities. It is going to be an absolute blast. I can't wait. It is from September 1st to September 8th. And now I'm going to tell you about how to enter, and then I'll give you more details on what's included and what's not included in the trip. First, you need to click the link in the description. That'll get you started. So there are 4 optional ways to enter. Number 1 is click visit YouTube page and ensure that you're subscribed to me on YouTube. Number 2, subscribe to the Travel Talk mailing list. Number 3, click visit my Instagram page and ensure that you're following me there. And number 4, the same thing with Facebook, like the page. Each action counts as 1 entry. None of them are mandatory, they're all optional, but the more actions you do, the more entries you have. Now, in order for the contest platform Gleam, which I'm going through, to abide by the rules of these social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, they can't actually allow these platforms to automatically like, subscribe, follow. So you must do it yourself. So when you click visit the page, that does count as entry to the contest. However, when I pick a winner, it shows me how you won. For example, if it says you followed me on Instagram, I will be checking if the winner has actually followed, etc., etc. So make sure you do follow through and click follow or subscribe or like or subscribe to the mailing list, because I will be checking, and if you're not, then unfortunately you won't win. My last giveaway, when I hit 20K, I actually awarded the 3rd person I selected, because the first 2 people just visited my page but didn't actually go through and subscribe and follow. So make sure you guys do that. All right, so here are the details of the 7-day sail trip through Croatia. It is 7 days, 7 nights accommodation on the ship. All breakfasts and lunches are included, however dinners are not. You also receive an experienced tour leader and experienced crew on the boat who will be managing and cleaning the boat. All right, now here comes the bad news. Here comes the exclusions. Flights, unfortunately, are not included. As I don't make a ton of money on YouTube, I couldn't afford to pay for flights from no matter where people are from. So what I'm gonna do is just provide $100 US to offset the cost of people's flights. But that is good news for anyone who lives in Europe. For example, a flight from London to Dubrovnik, Croatia is only $80 US return. So if you're from Europe, that's pretty much free. If you're from anywhere else in the world, there is a bit of an investment on your side. Also, the dinners will be off the boat. We will be disembarking the boat most evenings and having dinner on different islands. So those are also not included. So dinner and drinks are of your own expense. So this total trip is valued at $650, the trip being $550, and I'll also be giving you $100 US for spending, or if it's for your flights or whatever you want to put it towards. So it is a pretty good value still. I'm also gonna open this contest for 30 days. I don't want anybody to miss this opportunity because it's gonna be super fun. I want everyone to have a chance to win. So yeah, 30 days starting today. All right, if I miss anything or you have any questions or you wanna look at the trip, the link to the trip is in the description. You can check it out. It's on the website on Travel Talk Tours. So be sure to ask me any questions down in the comments. I'm just getting excited for September. This is gonna be super cool to travel with one of you guys. What else is there to say? Other than, good luck.